He's in the chair.
That's okay. Hi, Bubba. He loves to film videos with Mama.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I'm going to be reviewing this box for y'all. It is the Influenster Summer Vacay Vox Box, and I received this in the mail last week. And I was so excited whenever I got it. There's a lot of fun stuff in here, a lot of brands that I've tried before, a lot of brands that I haven't tried before. So I was really excited whenever Influenster sent me an email and said I was on the list to receive this Vox box. So inside what we have is the Sour Patch Kids Freeze candies, the Invisibobble, which I already have in my hair because I just love them so much. They're so cute. The Eva Nye Clean It Up shampoo, and the I said Eva Nye. It's Eva NYC, I think. Yeah, Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, and the Kiss Blowout lashes. I'm so excited to test these things out. I've never tried any of these products before, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first item I want to talk about is the Invisibobble Traceless Hair Ring. If y'all can already tell, I'm already sporting it in my hair. I've already posted about it on Instagram. In every package, you receive 3 of the hair rings. What I really love about these is that I can wear them in my hair all day, and they don't give me the ponytail headache. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Whenever you have your hair up in a ponytail all day, and then, bye buddy, see you later. Oh, he can't get through. Go now. Okay. Whenever you have your hair in a ponytail all day and then you take it out and it's just like, oh my gosh, like I have the worst headache because of my ponytail. They don't do that. They don't give me a crease in my hair. The only thing I will say is that I have not tried them out at the gym yet, so I don't know how well I hold if I'm doing cardio or if I'm doing like a really intense workout. So that will be the true test to see if they actually work. Not if they actually work, but if they hold during a workout. So let's see, Invisibobble Original, they retail for $7.99. With Invisibobble Original, it's time to say bye-bye to annoying knots and tousled braids. The hair ring has a strong grip, great wearing comfort, and can easily be removed from the hair. Yes, I agree with all of those. I'm so excited. I think that they're so cute. They're so fun to just like wear on your wrist. You can do 2 braids with them. Your braids won't fall out. I've noticed that this stays really well whenever I do like a little cheerleader half up, half down style. My ponytails stay really well. I haven't tried a bun yet, haven't tried it to the gym, but I love this brand so much and I think that this is such an awesome product. Okay, the next thing I want to try are the Sour Patch Freeze candies. The Freeze are lemonade variety mix with a cooling sensation, and I just think that that sounds great. Okay, let's see. So good. Okay, so that was blue raspberry lemonade. The flavors are blue raspberry lemonade, strawberry lemonade, cherry lime lemonade, and then regular lemonade. I believe they're only $1.99. $1.99. Oh! That one was sour. That was strawberry lemonade. Oh, but that's so good. Y'all, I might eat this whole bag. Bentley smells them on me and he's super curious. Sour Patch isn't like my go-to whenever I'm wanting candy or if I'm craving candy. Usually it's the sour gummy worms. I'm totally a gummy worm type of girl, but these are really good. I'm gonna try one more flavor. I think I want to try the cherry lime. You want to try one too, don't you? You just have to watch me. You have to watch me eat it. Actually, the cherry lime is probably my favorite yet. I gotta try all the flavors. Okay, this is lemonade. Lemonade is my least favorite. It kind of doesn't really even taste like anything, just sugar. Okay, the next thing I want to try out is going to be the Eva NYC Clean It Up shampoo. And I'm actually going to wash my hair for y'all. I need to wash it anyways, so I'm really going to try it out for you to see what I think about it. This shampoo gently cleanses, strengthens, and nourishes hair. Argan oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while Caravis delivers optimal anti-breakage benefits and is scientifically proven to dramatically increase strength and flexibility. That's really cool. For a 16.9 ounce bottle, it retails for $8.99, and you can get it at Ulta, Sally Beauty, Target, and Riley Rose. That's awesome. Okay, I'm really excited to try this out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just washed my hair. This is what it looks like. Two things I've noticed about this shampoo just for my first time using it. One, it smells so good. I mean, I don't know what it smells like. Maybe like vanilla something. Whatever it is, it smells so good. The second thing I noticed is that it didn't suds up super well, and I know that some shampoos that don't have sulfates or sulfites or anything like that typically don't suds up. I don't know if this is a sulfate-free shampoo. I did have to shampoo twice with this, and I used 2 quarter size amounts whenever I shampooed. Another product I got in the Vacay Vox box along with the Eva NYC shampoo is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. I've never seen this before in stores. The description on the card sounds really cool. The 10-in-1 claims to, with 10 benefits in one miracle formula, this hair primer does it all. It detangles, reduces frizz, helps strengthen, softens, cuts drying time. That's really cool. Adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Argan oil feeds hair with vitamins and nutrients, while sunflower seed oil repairs, nourishes, and protects. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. It retails for $11.99. All right, let's give this stuff a shot. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells as good as the shampoo. Y'all, I'm excited to try this. Ignore my ghetto blow dryer. Okay, so I'm pretty impressed. That definitely cut down my blow dry time. I would say that took me 5-7 minutes, if even that. I think my hair looks super shiny. It feels really soft. Definitely cut down on my frizziness. Usually after I blow dry, my hair is really frizzy. I have to run some oil through the ends, just kind of smooth and tame everything down. And I have no complaints from it. It smells really good. I'll be interested to see, like, after continued use, if it does strengthen my ends, if it makes my split ends a little less crazy. I know y'all probably are just like, girl, just go get a haircut, which I probably need to. But yeah, I really like it. I think that the shampoo and the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer together are awesome combination. I think it does exactly what it claims to do. Okay, next up in this box, what I can see, I actually think this is the last thing, is the Kiss Blowout Lashes. And I have seen these everywhere. I'm sure y'all have seen them too. The Kiss Blowout Lashes in Page Boy, they retail for $4.49, and that's for a single pack. I usually don't wear false lashes. I don't know if I want to try these out. Should I try them out for y'all? I mean, I don't have trimmers or anything with me. Strip lash adhesive. Ugh. I don't know. I'm scared. Full strip lashes intimidate me, and I have no reason why. Usually I just wear the little individual ones and I place them wherever I need them. Like, I never use full strip lashes. let's play. We'll play with them. Let's see. And y'all, I've had so much coffee and caffeine today. I'm like super jittery. I've tried out a new energy drink called Celsius and I'm super jittery, but it helps so much with my workout. Y'all, I don't know if I want to put these on. Y'all, you get the idea. I mean, is there a certain, like, is there a right and a left side? Y'all, for being in beauty school, strip lashes are like a different language. It's not happening. It's not working. Y'all are probably laughing because A, you need lash adhesive, and B, these don't fit my lashes, so I need to trim them. Yeah. These look good, right? Y'all can infer. You can get a good idea of what they would look like. I don't know. They wouldn't be bad, I don't think, if I was going out or like going to a wedding or an event or something like that. And for $4.50, I feel like that's pretty good because the Vegas Nay and the Ardell lashes I feel like are a little bit more expensive, but I like that these have a really thin eyelash strip and they're super full. I really like them. Maybe I'll give them a try. Okay, so that is it for the Influenster Vacation Box. I was so excited whenever I received this in the mail. I was super excited to try out all of these items. A lot of them I haven't tried before, like the Eva NYC. I've used Kiss lashes before. I've used fake lashes before. I love the Invisibobble, Sour Patch Kids. This was such a fun box. I hope y'all enjoyed watching. If y'all enjoyed this content, please, please, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.